Okay, this is bees swarming above the house.
Right here's the best place.
Would you shut up?
See? What am I talking about? Have you got it zoomed?
Yeah. Ooh.
They won't bother you.
I don't know.
Look back that way.
Gosh almighty.
I bet that's
What are they doing?
They're trying to find a nest.
Oh my gosh. They're just thick. What if they come and get us?
Well, then you're dead.
Well, come on, let's go in the house. Oh my gosh.
I mean, there's
Come on, let's go in the house.
probably 10,000 bees.
I bet.
See, they're trying to find something other to nest on.
I'm afraid of them.
There are.
There's thousands and thousands.
Now, if it's them killer bees, they would.
They still might head out after us. Let's go in the house.